fourth grade. It is Monday, March 23rd. Let's go! So today for math, you'll start in your packet on page 11. These are more of the preparing for long division problems, just like we did last week. You will also do page 13, partial quotients division. I'll review that for you now. So with partial quotients division, I have 426 divided by 8. I want to take small, easy steps to make my work easier. I draw a line down the side to separate, and I think, how many times can 8 go into 426? I know that 8 times 10 is 80. That seems kind of small. 8 times 100 is 800. That's too big. So let me go back to multiples of 10. If 8 times 10 is 80, 8 times 20 would be 160. I'm going to take small steps. You can take any steps that are reasonable for you. I'm going to do 8 times 20. 20 is my partial quotient. 8 times 20 is 160. So I'm going to take away 160. Always line up your place value. Always show any regrouping that you do. Now I'm going to do 426 minus 160. And I need to regroup. Now I have 266. So I think again, well, I could do 8 times 20 again. That was 160, and that's going to work. So that's an easy step. Let me take that easy step. Minus 160. Now I have 106. How many times can 8 go into 106? Not 20 times. So I'm going to go back to the easy number 10. 8 times 10 is 80. 10 is my partial quotient. Take the 80 away. Now I'm left with 26. How many times can 8 go into 26? 8 times 3 is 24. 3 is my partial quotient that goes along the side. Minus 24. I'm left with a remainder of 2. Add up my partial quotients, 20, 40, 50, 53. 53 with a remainder of 2. Now, partial quotients, these are options for the steps you can take. You can take different steps. You can take larger steps. You can take smaller steps, but when you take smaller steps, the more steps you take, the more chances for making a mistake. You do the math the way it makes sense to you. Make sure you're getting the correct answer in the end. Yes, you can do traditional division if you know how to do that. For Freckle, what I'm going to do is put 5 new assignments on each week. And you should do 1 assignment each day. You can always do extra. You can always do fact practice on Freckle. Make sure you complete all the assignments I put on by the end of the week. Many of you, for the adaptive practice, you may be into skills that are much higher than our 4th grade skills. So in the email to your parents, I gave a website address for Khan Academy, and you can visit that site to see instructional videos on how to do some of the harder math problems that you may be facing. Just keep working hard and trying your best. For science, we'll continue with motion and design. And I have linked this paper, The First Law, Inertia. So you will read and do a couple of activities with Newton's first law of motion, inertia. Keep this paper somewhere safe and do a good job. Work hard. Your parents can email me with any questions. Get outside, take a walk, be good, and I'll see you tomorrow.